How to add indicators to the charts. To add indicators to your chart, click on the chart you want to modify, then go to the Insert menu at the top of the platform and select Indicators. A list of various indicators will appear. Once you choose an indicator, a configuration window will open, allowing you to customize the appearance and settings of the indicator. If you need to return to this window, simply right-click on the indicator and select a Properties. For example, using the MACD indicator, you can specify settings in the Parameters tab, add fixed line levels in the Levels tab, adjust the indicator's color in the Colors tab, and select the timeframes on which the indicator is visible in the Visualization tab. To change an indicator's settings or remove it from your chart, right-click on the chart and go to the Indicator list. From there, you can select the indicator you want to modify and either edit its settings or delete it entirely from the chart. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exclusive videos.